Okay, what we have on the dyno today is a small block Ford. This is 363 cubic inch. This is basically a 302 stroker. We're using a Dart block, which is a 4-125 bore with a 3-4 stroke crank and a 5-4 rod. So essentially it's a 347 base motor with a 4-125 stroke or a 4-125 bore. Which makes 363 cubic inch. So what's all in this build is, of course, started with a Dart SHP block, 4340 crank, HPM rods, pistons came, or forged pistons, front sump oil pan. Compression ratio on this motor came out to just below 10-to-1. Trick flow aluminum cylinder heads, Edelbrock air gap intake manifold, CNC-Motorsports custom ground hydraulic roller camshaft, roller rockers, fully machined in-house SFI harmonic balancer, MSD distributor ignition, AED 750, Holley base carburetor reworked by AED, vacuum electric choke on this one. Customer requested that. Motor's 100% built and machined in-house here by CNC Motorsports. We do everything in-house to ensure quality. We double check everything, so we'll make a dyno pull and show you what the final numbers is and show you the graph.